Okay, you guys, you're not gonna believe I found my second treasure hunt of Hot Wheels monster trucks for this year. Duck and Roll, guys, 2026. Look at that. It's the second time I find another super treasure hunt. Named Duck and Roll truck type creature strength. It's got Quackitude, Crash Attack, Waddle, and Throttle. Of course, the back we know. Very nice. Now let's get to the truck. And it says on the back of the card, congratulations, you found a treasure hunt truck. I forgot to show that the last time. There's paint on it. Ooh. You know, I love the matte black paint. Look at that. Look at that. The gold water and then the red line. Gold rims and beadlocks. Red roll cage. Matte black. There's his face. Little mohawk. It says Hot Wheels on the wing. Right here as well. The gold motor. The tires with the gold flaking on it. Or gold flakes. Red lines. It smells like super strong. The paint, I can smell it. Oh, and of course, the treasure hunt right there where my finger's at. Pretty cool. I like these a lot. I wonder what the next chase is. Like I said, this has a strong paint odor. I can smell it because of it smells like different paint. I can smell it from here. So cool, guys. I recommend this treasure hunt if you guys find it. I'm gonna lie, I found a little trash it all the other day, but I already have it, so I don't need it. I'm having good luck with these. Like, subscribe, comment, show you guys more unboxings coming soon. Peace out. Hope you all enjoyed.